Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that. What is the different for the Facebook story option? So Facebook story will be using for profile option is there and the Facebook page also there. So what is the difference by the Facebook profile and the Facebook page? In your Facebook page, if anyone open your story, complete your profile and page completely different. In a profile, we have to not posting for any link on your profile option. It's not possible for any link will be in your profile option. Simple, just you can upload the photo and done. Simple one, just add the story. So what are the image you upload and sharing will be story option will be there in a particular Facebook profile option. Coming to the Facebook page, so this is complete for different for the Facebook story option. What is the story? Facebook business page story option. We have to generate traffic from your website or YouTube channel. How it is possible? So that is purpose we can using for Facebook Creator Studio option. In this add story option, what are the story you will be prepared? Select your particular business page. Here, same procedure. Add your image. After image adding, they can show option name is called add button. Here button, click for the particular option, give me to the link for your YouTube channel website. Anything possible, not only one option. This is only possible by the Facebook business page story option. So that is a benefit for Facebook profile and Facebook business page. Any people will getting traffic on your website. There's a major key point is called we can run onto the Facebook story by using Facebook business page. So that is called most of the people will be running for website traffic by using Facebook story also. So finally, just you can refresh the story coming to your Facebook profile here. When people will be click the Facebook story option, learn more, they go to my YouTube channel option. Any link will be accepted. Free blogger, free WordPress, premium website, anything will be accepted. Simple, just email will be select, link will be given on particular button. So select, I will show once again, add story. So what are the page you can add it here? So what are the page you can select? Click there. And what are the image you can select it here? Link will be given. Add button. See more, learn more, shop now, book now, get direction. I click for learn more, give the button and share the story option where we can visible for each and every Facebook profile who will be like your page. They can show your particular story option. So finally, people will be click learn more. They go to your YouTube channel option. So that is the mainly reason to different from the Facebook story for Facebook profile and Facebook business page. Which is better one is called your Facebook page is better one to add the Facebook story option. This is a keep it in mind to work on the particular option to the learning and to understand purpose, which is generating website traffic in using Facebook story. It only is called Facebook business page. So that is called everyone creating for Facebook branding page properly and promote it to generating traffic from your website option. Any further question you are required, ask me to the Digital channel. I definitely will be reply for your particular comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.